going on, guys? Got a condenser swap out today, so just bringing over the tools, and the refrigerant's already out as it leaked out of the system, so we're bone dry. So we're just getting ready to unhook all the electrical, and we'll just cut the lines here, and then we'll get the unit out of here. And we got the new one on the golf cart right there. So let's get this unhooked and we'll be back. Alright, got everything unhooked. Just lifted out the old condenser. Get ready to clean off the pad. And got the lines taped. Gonna bring the new condenser over and get the pipes prepped up here. Get everything hooked up. And we'll do a pressure test and get it in a vacuum. It's a hot one here. Right now we're still in the shade. So I'll get back with you here in a minute. Alright, got the new condenser in, got everything brazed up. Used the Stay Bright 8, worked out pretty good. First time using it on a condenser and worked out pretty good. Used it on an evaporator coil the other week, and so far everything's good. We'll see how it holds up. Shouldn't have a problem using it. So I couldn't get much footage of hooking up everything here. I'm kind of pressed for time, but right now we're in a vacuum. Yeah, this is my second evacuation. Pulled it down to about 290 on the first one, and broke the vacuum with nitrogen. And now we hooked up, we're in the second vacuum. It's been running for about 3 minutes. And down to 310. So just let this run for probably about another 10 minutes or so. And then I will valve it off, do another little decay test. And then we'll release the refrigerant and go inside and turn the indoor unit on. And dial in the superheat. Replace the armor flex here, going back to about right there where it, about right there is where I stopped. I just gotta tape it there to the other piece that goes up and into the building. Finish cleaning up here, and then we'll get ready to release the refrigerant. The 14 SEER Goodman. There's the model number GSX140181MA. So factory charge, 68 ounces. And we'll see if we have to add anything. The apartment is the one right after this one, put upstairs. So I'll have to see how many feet the unit's pre-charged for as far as the line set goes to see if I need to add anything. So we'll let this run a little bit more. Then we'll do the last decay test. So get back here in a minute. Okay, we're on our second decay test, and we've been holding around 340, 350, and getting ready to unhook our micron gauge here, and we'll release the refrigerant. So let me get the caps off here, and we'll get ready to do that. Okay, we got the vacuum all done. Broke the lines with the refrigerant. Got new valve cores inside both lines. Got the gauges hooked up, temp probes hooked up, and the system's pretty much equalized. So get ready to pop the disconnect in, then we'll go inside and call for cooling. So let me go in there, turn on the AC, and we'll give it 10-15 minutes or so to stabilize, and we'll check our superheat. Okay, we're up and running. We got some action. Let's see what we're looking like here. Now that's not my target right there. That's just from the last time I used the gauge. It's at 7.8. So I gotta get all my temperatures here, get the indoor wet bulb and stuff. So then we'll dial in our superheat and see where we're at. So that's where we're running at. Still bouncing around a little bit. It's only been on a few minutes. So I'll let it run about another 10 minutes or so, and then we'll see where our pressures and temperatures are at. See if we need to add some refrigerant. Alright, this one's all good to go. Got the line sweating real good here. And here's our final. 131, 132 on the PSI on the low side, 299, 300 on the high, 16 degree superheat, and my target was 12.5. And our subcool is right around a 5.5. And our vapor line is 62.5 degrees. Our liquid line is 90.6 degrees, and our saturation is 45.9 degrees. Alright, sorry it's a little quick one there, but just wanted to get a couple shots throughout the install here. So, gonna unhook my gauges and call it a day. It's Friday. Want to get out of here on time today. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.